Hi guys, welcome back to our channel again. In this video, we will see how we can join multiple sets of data together. In the last video, we saw how to upload or load on single file data. Now, from this tutorial, we will use multiple data set together to build something. Till the last tutorial, I created using one computer, but that computer was crashed. The operating system somehow it crashed. So what I did, I created a new folder here on the desktop, and inside it I downloaded the COVID-19 file data. From this GitHub link we downloaded the latest data. Okay, so that file is located inside it, and we need another file. So in this time I created an Excel file using Google Sheet. Over there I put two columns of data. One is continent, another is country, and I named it mapping continent country, this file. So what we have to do, we have to download and we have to put it here. Okay, we can download from here, file, download as Excel file. Okay, once the download is finished, we can go to the download location and we can put it there. So I'm going to open the download location. So here is my download location, and this is the file which we just downloaded. Okay, so I'm going to move it to this folder, and then I'm going to close this. So this will be our final file. Okay, and we don't need this browser. I'm going to close this. So we have two sets of data. One is the real COVID-19 data, and there is the mapping continent country data, which we saw in from the Google Sheet. To download this Google Sheet file, just use the link which is given to the video description box. So that's all. So we are ready to go because we have two sets of data. And before going to the main section of this tutorial, I will request you, if you are new to our channel or still if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to our channel. Now let's get started. So here is the Tableau, and then we have to load those two data sets, right? One is the COVID on, and other is the mapping on. So what I am going to do, I am going to click the text file as the COVID-19 data set, that is a CSV file, and I'm going to open the desktop, and in desktop we are seeing that there is the folder tab. Okay, and we see this is the CSV file. Right now there is another file as we selected from text file, that's why it is showing this thing. But if you change the file type here, like all files, it will show all the files, the Excel file also. Okay, but we need to load this data, so I'm going to select it, and then I'm going to click open, and it will load the dataset over there. And in the last video, what we did, we actually rename couple of columns like this, we did this thing. That is not mandatory, but if you want to make similar, you can also do. So what we have to do, we have to right click here, and then we have to choose rename, and we put over there last updated date, like this. Okay, and then we have to hit enter to rename this column, and then here we change some data, but we are not going to change this thing later. Now we'll do that later. So now we have one data set, it is loaded successfully, and here we are seeing this is the connections. So this is connected to this data source, and here we are in the data source tab. Now we need to add the second set of data. To add the second set of data, we have to click this add. Once we click add, then it will go to this type of option. Okay, so now we have to add the Excel file because that dataset has Excel data. That means the continent and country dataset. Okay, that mapping on. So I'm going to hit Microsoft Excel, and once I click Microsoft Excel, then it will go to that location in desktop, and then this is the tab, and then it is showing that dataset. Right now it is only Excel file, that's why it is showing Excel, and then hit open, and it will link to this dataset. Okay, and once it is loaded successfully, then you will find this type of thing. So here is the old dataset, and here is the new dataset right side. Okay, so it is showing us on type of joining related stuff. Okay, and here we are seeing there is on blue color, this blue color. So this is on dataset, and this is orangish color, and this is orangish color, and there is the exclamation mark red. So that means we need to fix this thing. So now we have two data sets. So from the first data set, I mean the COVID on, that is 5/7 to 2020, this data set, we have country region, right? So we can choose this country region, and from the second sheet we have also country, right? We saw in the Excel there is two column. So from here we have to choose the country. Okay, and then it will be mapped properly. Then we can close and you will see this warning will go away. And right now it is showing there are a couple of joins, inner, left, right, full. So we choose inner, but if you want to choose some other join based on your requirement, you can also do. But for this tutorial we will use inner join. Now let's close this window. We don't need it anymore because we properly configured the join. So I am going to hit this cross and it will close the thing, and we will see all the data will be loaded successfully. Now here you will see there are two colors of data. I mean, in the top header you will see two color. One is light blue and that is light orange or something like that. Okay, so here this light blue is here, and also this light blue and this light blue. That means this is coming from the same data set. And this orange color, this orange color, and this orange color, that means that is separate table or several data sets. We have two data sets, that's why it is showing like that way. So in this way we can easily add data set. That means we can add multiple data set together based on our requirement. So that's all for this tutorial. So thank you for watching. I believe after watching this tutorial you will be able to add multiple data set together using Tableau. And if you face any difficulty or if you face any problem, please put in the comment section. If you enjoy this video and if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.